Hi everyone, in today's video I've parked at the church in Horning in their car park, and we're going to walk along this path and we're going to go down to the Waterworks and the Staithe that's beside the Waterworks. I saw this place when I was on the boat on Sunday, and so I thought, I didn't know that existed. So as always I go out and investigate. So here we are, just arrived. As I walked down the path, I could see there was a vehicle in here at the Waterworks, so it's obviously still operational. The view along this stretch of the water is lovely, so I stayed here for a little while, and part of the filming is just looking at the water when there was no boats. It's just total peace and quiet. So if you don't want to watch the same little piece of river for ages, then you can just skip along to the next piece. When I'm out filming, I always see different objects floating in the river, and today's no exception. Look at the length of this piece of wood and the nails sticking out of the ends. I tried to warn a boat that it was there, but they went straight over it, unfortunately, so let's hope they haven't done any damage. Last summer, while out filming, I would always bump into one of the challengers, no matter where I was. This year, it's Gala Girl I keep bumping into. Let's have a quick look and see if there's anybody up Ranworth Church Tower. There was the other day, and there is again today. Lots of birds are out at the minute, and I spotted this one, and look at him him or her trying to hide behind that twig from me. I've now arrived back at the church, and I was just having a look round the churchyard, and I thought we'd go inside the church and you could see the model of St Benets Abbey and how it was in its heyday. I think having seen this model there, it makes you realise just how big it was. It's such a remote location as well. There's only really the Gatehouse left today, and look how grand it would have been. And then the fish ponds to the left of the Gatehouse, and you can still see them there today. So we'll just have a little look around the church while we're here. We won't be here long. I've written in the visitors book that we've all visited. That's all 2,400 of us. If you're now watching this video because you saw the message I left in the visitors book, do write in the comments and let me know. I was reading some information in the church, and it says that this carving is from the 14th century. Amazing to think it's lasted all this time and probably still looks the same as the day it was carved. There's also this beautiful trunk box as well. Look at that. That's beautiful. And then on the wall is this picture of how St Benets Abbey would have looked when the mill was attached to the gatehouse. These are some of the photographs I've taken this morning while I've been out. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I've certainly enjoyed finding a new place and having a walk around there. I do like that I keep finding new places that I had no idea existed. I'd just like to thank you all for watching, and I'll be back out again very soon. Bye for now.